everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome guys. So in this channel we talk about natural ingredients, natural beauty, natural health, natural everything. Like, do you know of lime juice? Have you actually been using lime juice sometimes? Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you how you can use lime juice plus other natural ingredients to achieve your results. Like, this is gonna be wow. I know a lot of you guys would be wondering because it is something that you already know, or is something that you have actually been seeing but neglecting it. Yeah, so there are some food that we tend to see and neglect, but little did we know that those set of food or those set of ingredients is going to be our savior. Like, it's literally going to be helping us. Like, it helps us for our skin, for our body, for our hair, and just name them. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be showing you how you can use lime juice plus other ingredients to achieve your results. Yeah, okay, so if you're new here, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And I would love to take you right into this video because I can't wait. This is actually lime. Okay guys, so a lot of you guys have actually been mistaking lime to lemon. You guys know we are in Africa, we are in Nigeria. Yeah, so let me show you the difference between lime and lemon. Now lime is actually green, our lemon is equally green. Yeah, and lime is very tiny and very small, but our lemon is huge, just like you see it here. So this is lemon and this is lime, so you can actually see the difference. Yeah, that is actually the difference. Okay, so for this ingredients we are gonna be making use of lime. Okay, so you have to use a little lime because lime is actually very effective and active, even more than lemon, seconded by orange. Okay, so you have to use lime for this ingredient. Yeah, okay, so this is how you are gonna be using it. And the reason why you have to use lime is, okay, first of all you have to press it just like I'm doing. I know some of you guys know why I'm actually pressing it, so that when I cut it there will be enough juice to press out. Okay, and the reason why you have to use lime here is because some actually accumulate a lot of sugar in their body, and that actually makes them not last. Okay, so if there are a lot of sugar in your body, or if you're a diabetic person, man, you're not gonna last long. So that's why you need a little of lime to remove all of the sugar in your system, and actually to also flush your system, right? Okay, so this is it. And what I'm gonna do is to squeeze out the juice of this lime. I hope there will be a juice anyways, because I'm not seeing any. Oh my god. Okay, so you can see how lime is. This is how lime is. I'm actually gonna be squeezing out a little bit of the juice that I will be able to get from this lime. This is what I'm actually doing. Yeah, because the lime does not actually contain a lot of juice. I think it is actually not a matured lime. Okay, this one actually has a little juice. Okay, so I've been able to put in lime in here, and I'm gonna be keeping this aside. I'm gonna be needing honey. Okay, in all of these ingredients that I'm gonna be showing you, you can decide to skip honey, but honey is actually very important because it will actually make you really sweet And trust me, try this ingredient, guys. You're gonna leave that 3 seconds person to a 3 hour for real. So now I'm gonna be turning in the honey into the cup. Make sure to mix it. And also we're gonna be needing pineapple. I've actually used my pineapple before, but I'm actually gonna be using some out of this. Yeah, so we're gonna be needing pineapple. Now this pineapple would help to stimulate you, and it's going to help you to stay really long on there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to take as much pineapple as you can get, or just a little, but I'm gonna be taking just a little pineapple. Yeah, and I'm gonna cut. So I'm actually going to be using half of this pineapple. Now before I would be giving this to my husband, I would need to be washing all of this. Yeah, I'll have to cut. And then I would turn that into a blender. The next thing, which is very important and needed, is garlic. Now garlic is actually a very good medicinal property to the body, guys. Okay, now when you're actually used to taking garlic and honey, you are actually not gonna be complaining anymore. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna first of all peel the garlic. Okay, so now you have to heat the garlic, alright, so that the peel can be actually soft. That's how you peel garlic, in case you don't know how to peel garlic, because I know that, so most of the guys might not know how to peel garlic, so it's actually important I show you how to do that. Alright, so now you put 3 to 4 cloves of the garlic into those blender, and if you're actually making it to store, you can put about 6 cloves of garlic. And then we're gonna be needing watermelon. Okay guys, so watermelon is actually very important, guys, because watermelon is going to stimulate you. Watermelon is going to make you feel that urge, and the pineapple, the garlic, and the lime is going to keep you there for long. Okay, so you see why you need all of this. Alright, so okay guys, so after you've opened that up, you have to blend everything up, plus the seed is actually very important. Blend the seed equally. Okay, so after that is done, then we'll have to blend this up, and stay tuned so you could see all of it. Okay, do not go nowhere so that you will not be asking too many questions. Done blending, and this is how it does look like. So now we'd have to be bringing back this one. Well, we'll sieve watermelon juice into this cup plus the pineapple. Okay guys, so the things that you might actually decide to sieve this, which is okay, or you can drink it like that with the fiber, which is actually even going to, you know, make you full, because for you to be active for long, you would have to be filled up. Your stomach has to be filled up. Eat very, very well. Okay, so you can take this, and trust me, you're there. You're there for 5 hours. Nobody is stopping you. So guys, do not be 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Honey is beneath and the lime equally is beneath. So what we'll do now is to stir and mix all up, and trust me, it's gonna be looking and tasting really, really yummy. Okay, let me have a taste of this. This is actually nice, and it tastes great too. Okay, and it does a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so this is how you're gonna take it. Eat food, drink this. You let your tummy be filled up with food before you go down. Trust me guys, if you don't stay for at least 20 minutes, come back and let me know. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, so go give this a go try this, and you know, be a little bit consistent. Just, you know, do it just the way I've showed you in the video, and your result is gonna be amazing. Your result is gonna be wow. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm actually so super duper excited about this, and I'm loving this because it is actually very interesting. Okay, so I would see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and ciao ciao. Mwah.